evening, everyone. It's Rachel here, and I have a quick Etsy update. So I didn't do a video today because I got carried away. I've been cleaning out some of my hoardy stuff, and I found that I had these wonderful Italian fashion ladies from Milan from the 1880s. And so Stef scanned them and created this kit. There's 20 images, so I'll just go through them, and then I got carried away as well in the last couple of days. So also doing a journal page kit to go with it. So yeah, I'm getting confused with my timeline. But anyway, I spent the whole afternoon trying to finish it off. That's what I'm trying to tell you. So I'll just show you the different plates. They're really gorgeous. And these are quite a big size, so I thought I'd have a play with those maybe tomorrow. I didn't get my video done, as I said, today because I mucked around and then didn't get there. But they're really, really lovely, these images. And they have months as well. And some of them the year came off because they're quite big. The sun's coming in. I hope it's not bothersome. They're quite big images, so sometimes the script couldn't get in the scanner. So I just love them. So it was nice to see Italian ladies and not because there's quite a lot of French ones of these sorts of things around, but not Italian ones. So I was really excited. I thought they were French. And I told Stefan, I called the kit, it's French, and then he's like, but this is Italian. Okay, well, great, even better, they're Italian. So this is Italian fashion in the 1880s and the 1890s. So as you can see, there's 20, and hopefully there's been no boo-boos. There should be 20. And absolutely gorgeous images. And then we did 4 to a page so that they could be journal cards as well. I'm probably down a bit. Let me just bring it up there without making you seasick. So there's 4 to a page, so there'll be 5 pages of those. There should be. And poor Steffi was going bananas doing it because he says they all look the same. I'm like, how do they look the same? And he's like, they look the same. So there we go. So that's one kit with all of the plates that I have. They've come out of, they're the colour plates that must have come out of that magazine. And then I made some journal pages to go with them because I thought, what fun is that without journal pages? And I kind of tried to make them a little bit, this is some beautiful antique mattress ticking that I have, a bit like, with fabric, kind of like it, to do, because they're like fashion plates sort of things. So fabrics and trims I put in them, and lots of my own ephemera in there as well. So really cool ephemera in the background along with the images. So I think I did 5 pages with the ladies. This is like one of my faves. This is a piece that I have. I love that. All of these, not the fabric there. I have that. I think I have that one, and I have that lace as well, and all of the papers in the background. So there you go. Nearly got all of it. Oh, except for that. Yeah. Anyway, but I just wanted to show you how pretty these pages are folded in half. And of course, they're great for collaging. I didn't show you the other ones. So hopefully by the time this video goes up, I'll get the listing up as well. Just super pretty and a bit plainer on that side. So I tried to keep one side without the ladies and one side with the ladies. So there's that one there, and then that's like that. And I thought they would combine very well with my Italian kits, considering they are Italian ladies. Look at that. And I can't wait to start using them. And I love that. And then I did one extra one with the lady, but I put her on there differently. You won't be able to tell, but I did. So that's a beautiful antique embroidery. I just thought that's lovely. And then that like that. And then I did some plainer pages. It's upside down. I did some plainer pages just to mix in with it. And obviously with a dark pen, this type of pen, you can easily write on there with this type of pen. Maybe not so much with a biro because it's thinner, but you can certainly with a thicker pen. So that's one page there. My printer seems to have decided to print without a border. I didn't tell it to do it. I did also incorporate some of Steffi's wonderful, in a couple of them, his beautiful ephemera things as well. But I made them a little bit transparent so you can see in the background. So quite a lot of layers, and again, a lot of it is my own, a couple of things in the public domain, but most of it's stuff that I have myself. And then this is the last one, a little bit more colourful, but I think they're super pretty and have a lot of possibilities, so you could use them really with anything. So I hope you like those. There's going to be 2 kits. I thought I might just quickly show you what I've been doing. I had a whole lot of these. I had those little boxes, the photo boxes with things printed. And so I decided to just sort of sit down. I've got them under my, I've made heaps. I sat down yesterday afternoon for a little bit, and today I'll hold it down so it doesn't go in the sun. I just made a lot of little sort of journal things that I might play with even further. These, as I said, I've been cleaning out my hoardy papers, and I found I had a whole lot that had the mold on. So these are 1870s. Most of these have 1870s papers on the background, on the back. And so I had ripped off the moldy bit and kept the clean bit. So these are some of those papers. Yeah. So I just had them, and so I just thought, well, I'm just going to start making with them. And I love just very simple little bits and pieces of ephemera there. Oh, just decided to glue together. There we go. So I did some with, flippy bits. I tore a hole there, so I patched it up with a with the same colour paper. Then these are just all old bits of paper glued on the back. There, I just thought they were really cute. I've been having a lot of fun. Love the colours. Love that blue paper. I wish I had a heap of that. Just a postcard. They're not quite finished. I'm going to punch a hole in that one, for example. I thought that's lovely. I have multiple of these printed out. I need to make up a few more. This one flips out. So yeah, we might have a session doing those because they're fun. There's another one of those. And then I've got more because I did start, I think I did these ones today. And these ones I did the day before. So I just, some I put onto, little ones I put onto Stef's. That's on a collage piece. I sort of got my mojo going a bit more with the second round. I did that one onto a postcard. And then I did a little bit of stamping on it. I thought that's really cute. And I did the same with that old postcard. I put an actual stamp and stamped on it. So we might do, we've done that before. I might do some more of those, but I did a whole lot. Book page folding. Some of Steffi's little ones I did. And then, some of his tags, I've done them double-sided. I have to decorate these ones. Are not finished. I need to decorate. I did a reverse collage on those ones. Look how pretty. I need to decorate those. So that needs to happen. And then I did these ones. Oh, that one's got a collage, so that one needs to be decorated. And then this one is a postcard, a scanned postcard. And I have this very thin onion paper, so I put that on. Underneath between the 2 pieces when I think, and then I thought I'm going to have that there. It's kind of transparent so you can see, but then you open it and there's the postcard. I thought that's a bit of fun. So there we go. So that's what I've been doing, just to get you up to date. I've still got a few more of the pieces I wanted. I just had a whole lot of stuff printed out that I've really got it down now. Of that box, then I've got more. So there you go. So anyway, I'm going to go and put these listings up in my shop, and I hope you like them. I'm very excited to have some new papers to play with, and I love all the little bits and pieces because I think that you can use them in your collage and make a tag out of that or put them in as pages. I think they're a lot of fun. So I hope you like them, and thank you so much. And I have it's not the weekend. Oh, it's a public holiday today in San Marino. That's why I think it's the weekend. It's Thursday. Have a lovely Thursday, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.